Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Notion for personal use. First, create your Notion account using your email address or Google. Once signed up, select a personal workspace and give it a clear, descriptive name. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left sidebar, which is your navigation hub for all your pages, databases, and settings. This initial setup takes only a few minutes but lays the groundwork for your entire system. Next, let's build some essential pages. Start by creating a dedicated daily planner page to manage your tasks and appointments efficiently. Then, set up a reading list database. This is perfect for tracking books, articles, and other content you want to consume. Finally, design a simple habit tracker to monitor your daily routines and help you build consistent positive behaviors. These 3 pages form a strong foundation for personal organization. Notion's databases are incredibly powerful for organizing information. Use tables for structured data like project management, task tracking, or even a content calendar. For visual content, such as mood boards, recipe collections, or travel plans, galleries are an excellent choice. Boards, often called Kanban boards, are perfect for visualizing workflows and tracking progress through different stages, giving you a clear overview of your projects. Finally, make Notion truly yours through customization. Personalize your pages with unique icons, eye-catching covers, and even custom fonts to reflect your style. Link related pages together to build a comprehensive and interconnected knowledge base, making information easily accessible. For advanced users, explore integrations with other applications like Google Calendar or Slack to enhance functionality and streamline your personal workflows even further.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.